So hello guys, this is Arpit Jain, MP44 Spoken English classes, and today we are going to do one activity, word stealing. So this activity is used for fluency technique. This activity is being done for fluency technique. Okay. So in this activity, what you have to do? Listen, Bhavya. So I'll give you one word. You have to speak on that. So from your speech, you have to pick one word, and you have to start speaking. Then further from your speech he will pick one word and he will start speaking, and so on. So this is the activity. Then got it?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we continue? Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so my topic is education. So education is very important in our life. So all people know about what is education, and if we are doing education, so our knowledge will also grow. So education, you all know about education. So through education we can do anything in our life. So if we want to grow any business, so we can grow.
Okay, business. In business, it's our own business. We are the boss of the company, and the business is very successful in
Successful.
now time.
Okay, I'm taking successful. Success. If we want to do success in our life, so we have to do hard work.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
So if we are not doing hard work or silly sitting in our home, so it will not get success. So if we are doing hard work again and again, if we are falling from exam, we fail in exam, so we have to try.
Exam. In exam, we have to give our what we have learned hours in session or semester, and by getting pass, we can get a good percentage, and we can promoted to the next class, and there are many types of exam like UPSC exam, MPTET, and many exams.
Exam in our classes also, if we are going school, so in school we have to give exam. So through that exam, we our teachers know how we are doing in school, we are concentrating on studies or not. So in exam, so it improve ourselves also. So
Okay, study. We have to study more hours in a day. If we study more, so we can get good marks in exams. And if we study only for 10-20 minutes, so we do not get understand. We do not get any chapter or any subject. So we have to work hard for study, and we have to minimum 2 to 3 hours study in a day.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
And with a study we can do many things. If we study if we study any book or any person his biography, so we can get knowledge from.
So knowledge. So knowledge is very important in our life. If we don't have degree, so we have knowledge, so we can grow any business through that knowledge. So degree is not important, but knowledge is most important in our life. If we have knowledge, so we can do anything regarding to job, yeah, or another thing.
Okay, job. If we doing job, so we can earn salary. By salary we can buy many things, and by salary we can buy many things. In a job we have to do exact 8 hours, 10 hours. But in business we have to do many. We have to give business many time more rather than.
So did you see in this video the outcome of this activity is instant you have to speak. There is no chance you have to think, and usually what happen, we give you topic, means I'm talking you guys. Usually we give you topic and you have enough time to prepare, but in this activity you don't have time, and instant you have to perform. So it shows that how caliber you have, and certain qualities you should have. Number one, you should have knowledge regarding that particular word, and second is decision making, means you have to decide which word you have to pick and you have to start speaking on that particular word. So there are many certain qualities which you should have to be a part of this activity, and this is a very good activity to get rid of the hesitation. Okay, and this we can say this is the spontaneous performance. Have you heard spontaneous word? Instant performance without any preparation. There is no preparation. Okay, so this activity should be done always, daily, on a daily basis. So this is it in this video. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please subscribe my channel MP44 Spoken English Classes. Thank you guys.